I'm guessing you clicked on this video because you're frustrated with your current IT guy. Maybe he or she can no longer provide the responsiveness you need. Usually, this is because you've outgrown them. But can you really afford a larger IT company? Maybe you've already looked around at a few and you realized you have to be a rocket scientist to figure out what they're actually going to be doing for you and how much it's actually going to cost. You just want to find a company you can trust that can support all of your needs, and that support plan can just be simple, affordable, and comprehensive. Well, Cinch IT might be just what you're looking for. Utilizing state-of-the-art monitoring and management tools, our certified engineers protect and optimize your network 24/7. So how does it work? Well, you receive unlimited remote support, unlimited on-site support. That's right, we don't nickel and dime you just because we have to come to your office. We also provide 24/7 proactive maintenance of your critical systems, including daily optimizations, weekly updates, and both on-site and off-site backups. State-of-the-art security and compliance suites, providing you with peace of mind. And finally, a personal consultant, working alongside you to design a technology roadmap that ensures your business is productive and as profitable as possible. Everything you need for one simple fixed price. If you want to find out how simple and how affordable, then contact us today.